Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this video is focused on my driving robot discovery based on the TXT controller, with focus on driving on distance and on grabbing images using this USB camera, for selecting the color red from those objects, also fischertechnik, and possibly stopping and making turns by means of these sensors if they are touched, and that will be indicated by lighting this lamp. Furthermore, last time I started with an unexpected power error due to the battery needing to be replaced, and I made an error with those switches as well. One switch for one battery pack, and now I have put two battery packs on top of each other, where the lower one is fully connected. So let's hope that is pretty much organized by now. Next thing, how does it all work out this time? So let's go to screencast and see how things develop. And yes, I need to switch it on right now, so let me do that. Okay, so screencast indicating three terminal windows, one for the source code, which I will enter, and of course I had to set the date again. Then TXT output, and for showing the images. Also Rover Pro for testing, which it will do, which is pretty nice. So this one, no, that's the wrong one. This one gives indeed. Okay. Why don't they show anything? That's weird. It is 5 and 7, which should be visible here. Yeah, 5 and 7, and I don't see 5 and 7 here. So that is not quite as expected. Okay, then but it runs, and that is the most important thing. Then I had a nice idea, because the running takes a long time, and with an extra battery pack it's heavier, to add sound signals for when it begins to drive, and sound signals for selected distances. So here it begins to drive, and then I should have a distance sound, and then there are several distances, and each one should have a sound. So off camera I will implement that and see if it works out. Okay, I have now put one extra sound between 55 and 60 centimeters. So if I'm now correct, well, this is, I think, between 55 and 60. Not quite sure though. Where's the ruler when you need one? Let's try it anyway. Oh, I could have easily checked by doing the sonar. Okay, stop this. I'm going to check if it is correct anyway, which I think is 58. Is that correct? That should change if I move this along. Yeah, very much correct. So, is this 55, 60? No, 3 more, like here. Yes, this is between 55 and 60. So, this should work. Go. And of course, I meet with errors, no surprise there. By the way, I do not know which sound number 2 is. But let's see anyway. I didn't hear a sound. And right now, it's right here. I did not hear a sound, that's not good. Okay, I have to do that once again. I don't like this. This is an error which I didn't predict. Another thing is maybe I should put it also in here. There's an else if and this is an else if. So did it play sonar between 55 and 60 anyway? Right here, somewhere, a line about sonar. This is one thing. It didn't even get there. No. So yeah, if it doesn't get there, it won't play. But it had to be there. That's no good. And I experienced yet another learning moment. Why could I not measure the voltages? Well, because of a simple reason. The switches were put right in the middle. So they were here instead of the active one right here. Now I can measure the voltage. And I checked right in time because the other battery pack was empty, or 7 volts something, and this was still 9 volts, so I switched battery packs just by switching the battery or pulling the switch, which I did wrong the first time. That was off camera, so no harm done. So ultrasonic 9 centimeters, which is correct. This one doesn't do a thing now, so now it's 8.9 volts. Apart from that, still going for the sounds, which I didn't hear yet. And basically, it would be a nice idea if I could put my own sounds in somehow and check every single piece of code with the sound. which I could do anyway if I go find a sound. This one, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's then an airplane sound, which I could play twice. And then a break, so that is 7 lines. Copying 7 lines. And I go right to the beginning. So if I start doing this, no, 1 up, no, right here, and I do it twice. Okay, yeah, twice. Then I know I'm in there. But that is only when the sound distance is smaller than 30. So I'm going further. This is smaller than, oh, this is when touched. And this one is touched. This one is also touched. This one is not yet touched. This one is between 30 and 35. So I basically could do that as well. And then yet another one. And yet another one. So 3 times the airplane for 30 and 35. Sounds logical. And here 25 and 30. And 20 and 25. But let's just take it once at a time. Okay, I have to close this one and put it all in distance again. So now the distance is 33 and I should hear 3 sounds. Let's see if that is indeed the case. And it will take some time. And then on, yes. That's one sound. And the propeller stopped running. I hear nothing and I get here nothing. So now I'm very curious what's happening. The algorithm stopped entirely. Pressing enter, nothing. Anything here? Nothing. I've lost connection. Here? Nothing. Okay. That simply means I've lost total connection. And that's a good time to stop with this video. Okay, with this unexpected ending, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notifications. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And you can support by donating via either PayPal or becoming a patron, which is already possible from €2 or $2. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.